Here's the base, guys. As I told you, I retrieved it from the previous owner, and I had to redo the whole thing. Put a veneer in the front here, and it cracked right down the center. So I fixed it and used a Sharpie like a bonehead, but I like it. It gives it character. Just finished buffing it down, but about to put it together. I redid the body. Just finished buffing that down. 18-volt pickup. Sorry guys, it's starting to snow over here in New York City today, and I'm catching a cold. Well, I'm gonna bring you up to par as I keep this project going. Hope you enjoy it. See you in a bit. Bye.